Hello everyone, my name is Kesha Nabila Rafa Ayu with study number 092, and this video is part of my final project for the tourism course supervised by Mr. Fitri. My title of my project is Tourism Crisis Analysis End of 2025 Labuan Bajo Plot Tragedy Bali White Season versus Yogyakarta State. In this video, I will analyze two tourism cases in Indonesia, focusing on their causes, impact, weakness, and possible solution. The first case is the Labuan Bajo boat tragedy, reported by RRI. It was an accident involving tourism boat with causalities and accident that threw worldwide interest in the country. Labuan Bajo is a superior tourism destination, especially regarding marine tourism. However, this tragedy serves to show that tourism development is not always balanced with safety management. This case also raised very serious questions on maritime safety, standard operating procedure, as well as the government supervision in Indonesia tourism destination. Case 2. Summary: Bali versus Indonesia. Bali versus Yogyakarta. The second case was from Metro TV News, discussing the quiet of Bali while domestic tourism are shifting to Yogyakarta. Though Bali is still popular overseas, this destination become more foreign in comparison with the rest because of it less affordable, too crowded, and relatively uncomfortable for many domestic tourism. Therefore, Yogyakarta is preferred. This situation reflects the change in tourism behavior influenced by public perception, seasonal factor, and destination substation. Root cause analysis. Case 1 is the Labuan Bajo boat tragedy. Now, there are three causes leading to this tragedy. First, it's always the natural and weather factor. The unpredictable sea conditions, such as high waves, strong winds, increase the risk of accident. The second is the failure in safety management, or SOP. Most of the tourism boats are lack proper safety equipment, safety briefings, and also capacity control. Thirdly, it's the weak supervision and regulation. Authorities seldom enforce and regulate regarding eligibility of boat license and other related whether based on discussion on operation. That will indicate that the tragedy was initiated not only by a single factor but also by natural risk and human negligence. The case 2 is Bali versus Yogyakarta. There are three reasons contributing to the shift of domestic tourism. First, public perception and social media influence. Second is the seasonally weather condition. Tourists avoid such destination during rainy season, instead prefer places that are more accessible and less hazardous. The third is the destination subsession. This turned Yogyakarta into a powerful alternative to Bali, where the culture, tourism, fair price, and relaxed atmosphere can be found. And then impact and weakness. First is effect on Indonesia tourists. In short run, the Labuan Bajo disaster many lower tourist level to trust in general, particularly in marine tourist activity. In the long run, such safety issue can be also affect the international image associated with tourism in Indonesia. In the case, domestic tourist factor are safety and expenses have major implication for destination. For foreign visitor, safety issue and the reputation of the destination for from and major criteria for decision making. Then trust and safety. These factors are even more important for high-end destination as well as adventure destination. Two is weakness of Indonesia tourism. Learning of this case, at least four major flaws can be identified. For safety standard and practice, crisis communication, inconstant service quality, inability to conduct. The above Weakness indicate that the development of tourists is not supported by good management. And for the solution is operation or industrial level. Safety training for operating and guiding the clusters in the past. The passenger capacity safety equipment checks is the responsible for the tour operation or boat operation. And then the destination or regional level. Regular inspections by local authority personnel, real-time weather monitoring, and proper warning system. Parties responsible, local authorities, port authorities, search and rescue team. For the national level, national safety standards of tourism transport responsible. So for in the summary, the respect of these two examples, Indonesia tourists clearly facing problem in safety management, perception control, and governance. Enhancing tourism safety communication and risk management is crucial for ensuring sustainable and reliable tourism development in Indonesia. Thank you.